而家有啲跳字喺中間個底部嗰度咧，有啲跳字。
開始咗啦。
Yeah. Good morning. This is a rainy day. You see, the sky is cloudy and the rain is drizzling down. It's very, very light rain. And it looks like early spring. Actually, it is early winter now. Last night, heavy snow, a lot of snow. And at that very moment, I'm thinking, oh, tomorrow morning I have lots of work. That's shoveling of the snow in front of the house. But I'm wrong. No more snow. Because of the temperature rises, the snow melts, and we have a very beautiful lawn in front of us. Green trees. The sky is a little bit dark, but it's all right. Good for a morning walk. Okay. Nice to meet you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.